Come on now. She's cute, right? Hey guys, just a quick little thing. This is a Samsung ARemoji. She's not perfect, but she's definitely cute. And I know not many people talk about it or use it. You do have to accentuate how you talk so her mouth will move better. Also depends on your lighting. And I love using her sometimes on my videos just to change things up. She makes me laugh because it's not perfect, as you can see, but it's funny. I love my ARemojis. I love the one on Apple as well. I've used others, and honestly, I love her. She's the closest for ARemojis to look like me, and I've tried pretty much all of them. I do like my Apple one, but this one I like more. For the most part, I mean, you can move around. And do different facial expressions. I do wish there was more like body jewelry options. Like I had to use a mole for my nose ring. I wish you could add more things like you can with the Apple ARemojis. You can add like ears and stuff and headbands, and there's some hats you can add. But if you have any questions about the Samsung ARemojis, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it. Okay, bye. Really awesome. Let's just wait for the Becky to stop. Seriously, these are dogs. Oh my god. Stop barking.